Hello, internet speed enthusiasts. If you're facing slow internet connections, we have the perfect solution for you. By configuring the HTTP custom app accurately, you can enjoy lightning-fast speeds while browsing online. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide together and boost your internet experience. Step 1. Visit darkssh.com. To begin, open any search engine and navigate to darkssh.com. Step 2. Access SSH and OVPN. On the darkssh.com website, tap on the three-line icon to reveal the menu options. Step 3. Select SSH UDP. From the menu, opt for SSH UDP for optimized performance. Step 4. Choose location. A list of locations will be displayed. Select your preferred location for the server. Step 5. Create account. Take note of the server's lifespan and click on Create Now. Step 6. Enter user details. Enter your username, password, and complete the verification process by clicking on Create Account. Step 7. Copy account details. After account creation, click on the Copy option to proceed. Step 8. Install HTTP custom app. To utilize the account and experience the fastest internet speed, download the HTTP custom app from the Google Play Store. Step 9. Access home screen. Open the HTTP custom app to access the home screen. Step 10. Paste UDP account details. Locate the designated area in the HTTP custom app and paste the UDP account details copied earlier. Step 11. Tick UDP custom box. Ensure to tick the UDP custom box for optimized performance. Step 12. Connect to gain speed. With all settings in place, tap on the Connect button to turbocharge your internet speed. Conclusion. Congratulations on configuring the HTTP custom app for blazing fast internet speeds. Don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for further updates. Your support is valuable, so please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey to accelerate your internet speed and browsing experience. Stay connected and enjoy the lightning speed.